Can you insure a car with structural damage? Imagine buying a car that's been through a tough crash or has some hidden issues in its frame. You might wonder if you can still get insurance for it. Well, the answer depends on a few important things. Structural damage means harm to the car's frame, chassis, or key parts that keep it safe and stable. This kind of damage usually happens after serious accidents and can lower the car's value and safety. There are different types of structural damage to watch out for. Frame damage is common after big impacts and can throw off the car's alignment or make it unsafe to drive. Bent axles can happen when the wheels get twisted or broken, which affects how the car drives straight. Damaged crumple zones are also a concern because they absorb impact during a crash, and if they're hurt, the car might not protect you as well in the future. When it comes to insurance, liability coverage is usually still available for cars with structural damage. This type of insurance pays for damages you cause to others if you're in an accident. But for comprehensive and collision coverage, things get trickier. Many insurance companies might refuse to cover cars with serious structural issues or charge higher premiums. Some insurers might exclude coverage for damages related to the structural problems altogether. Before buying or insuring a car with damage, it's smart to get a detailed assessment. An expert can evaluate how much the damage affects safety and how much repairs will cost. If repairs are very expensive, say over 60 or 70% of the car's value, an insurance company might declare the vehicle a total loss. That means they pay out the value of the car and it's no longer insured for repairs. You can also file a diminished value claim if your car's worth drops because of the damage. This helps you recover some of the loss, but it usually requires a professional appraisal and proof of the damage. Keep in mind that structural damage can make it harder to get certain types of coverage, and premiums may go up. In the auto insurance claims process, understanding the extent of structural damage is key. It helps determine if the car can be repaired safely and whether it's worth insuring. Always check with your insurer about what coverage options are available after damage assessment. Being informed can save you money and help you make the right choice for your vehicle.